Ooh.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. And look what I bought for two. Okay, before I start, do I look like a little kid at the big adult table? I feel like, because I raised it too high. It's normally lower, but now I feel like I'm gonna have a bib on and somebody's about to bring me my macaroni and peas. So yes, these are the Powerbeats Pro. You know, Apple owns Beats, and I am not a Beats fan by any means, but I do like their Powerbeats line because I use them when I'm on podcasts and other things where you kind of just want to have headphones out of the way. You don't want to look like you're having them on. So I use them mainly for that. I am an owner of the new AirPods because I'm that guy. And look what I put on mine. I had them engraved. It was a free engraving. So I was like, why not put Flex by Lamarr W? No? So yeah, this is not a review. I don't do reviews. This is my first impressions out of the box. And they took forever to get here. Best Buy. I ordered them a month ago. I like that I got something that's black because, you know, I'm just saying, like, it's no way. Is this a space capsule? Oh my God. Okay. I'm not gonna open it yet. This is the case. This is the case for my AirPods. I mean, the difference in size. I mean, look where the charger is. You kind of get the depth of how. Oh my God, guys, this is unbelievably huge. I know how these are in my pocket, right? They pop right in, but like, all right, I'm gonna grab my keys in this, and man, it looked like they're like, are you happy to see me? Like, if I walk around, like, I'm just saying. Now, okay, to be fair, it actually does fit in the pocket, but man, it adds some considerable weight and bulk. Oh, and we're back at the adult table. Okay, see, I don't want to be negative. Let's open. Ooh. Okay, you know what's weird is that the case is so big, because I know it's a charging case, and we'll get into that in just a moment. It's a charging case. Look, the light is on, obviously. I have to pair them. Actual buds, or whatever you call them, are not that big. Yeah, so I mean, if you compare them to the AirPods, I mean, yes, they're bigger because of the hook that goes in your ear, but it's not that much bigger overall than when you consider like the actual sound part. Okay, so there's a note in here that says to pair them, keep the earphones in case. Okay, so I got put it back in case. They do charge in the case, by the way. There's some little charger things, and they attach. You have to put them in the right way, left and right. There is a separate volume rocker and a separate button for Siri to change tracks and the stuff like that. So that's actually really cool too. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open them up. Oh, right away, it's like connect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press connect. Why are you not clicking? Okay, there it is. Connecting. There it is. I've used these kind of Powerbeats again for years. Matter of fact, let me show you the one I have. See, I have the last version right here, which again, is not true wireless because it actually has wires, even though it is wireless. We'll throw those to the side and see how these work. So I'm just going to go ahead and okay. Oh wow. Wow. The reason I'm saying wow, it seals in the ear, and that's because of the little sealing part that is right here. If I didn't show that, I'll make sure I do now. It's not active noise cancellation by any means, but I hear a lot less of outside the moment I put those on. Even more so than these. Like, I don't know what. Yeah, oh, these are a little bit big. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like this is the perfect size to seal. Wow. Again, it's just closing off a little bit of the world. Let me just play some music. I know you won't be able to hear this part. I'm playing my boy Grant Kinoke, Emotions. You won't be able to hear. Okay, like the sound quality is good. One thing I want to say, I have the volume at max, and I'm glad they're not like blowing out my ears because they're sealed in there. That's the last thing you want, is blasting out your ears when it comes to these kind of earbuds. So it's sufficiently loud, and the bass is not like I'm gonna have a migraine later. These are really comfortable. I'm already loving these more than the AirPods, and again, it's not a review, just first impressions, but I think my reason is, first of all, they're not going anywhere. That's why I love these so much. They're like, it's the only time I would justify getting Beats is because of this wraparound. I just like the way their brand does it, and because they're Apple, it has the same chip as these, so it automatically pairs. Okay, so another thing I want to try real quick, I want to make sure all devices. Okay, I unplugged that. You can see that already. That's my HomePod. I've unplugged that. Computer does not have Siri enabled. My phone is laying down. The door is closed. So I'm gonna try. It has the blank Siri function on here. So again, if you have your phone out, I'm gonna say those 2 words because I have to activate this. So do what you need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna actually have Siri turn off the studio light. Hey Siri, turn off studio. Oh snap! Okay, hey, man, I am so black. Okay, anyway, hey Siri, turn on studio. Okay, and he answers me. He said, "Well, I have Siri as a guide, so whatever." But he answers. It says done. I hope that they fixed the Siri voice for like the woman. I hope the guy's voice sounds better. I don't know. I like the guy's voice. It's like I'm talking to a buddy. You know, I understand I can't be a buddy with the girl, but it's like a different. Oh boy, I'm gonna be in trouble now. I feel like I've already forgotten they're on. Also, in the box, it has a charging cable. It is lightning and goes to USB and it can charge the case. The case is not wireless charging like the new AirPods are. And also, if you have different size ears, they have, let me get a little closer to show you. They have the different little buds that you can use, different sizes. I find that the default ones are sealing in pretty nice. Yeah, so first impressions on these is like, I'm home. Like, I like them. I have dropped these out of my ear in an airplane before, and it went under the seat, and my big butt had, I almost said fat, but it is. I had to get down and find it, and the lady had to help, and it was just like, so in the comments below, let me know which one you would invest in if the money wasn't an issue, or maybe you have invested in it. Would it be the Apple AirPods or the Apple Beats, Powerbeats Pro? I have a little bonus. I'm gonna do this really quick package that came in that's kind of related to this whole Apple thing, so let me do that now. Okay, so in the mail from one of my favorite companies in the world. I have known this guy literally before I started YouTube. Roberto is my guy. He is the founder of Throwboy. Okay, so this first one, I just want to see what they exactly call it. Oh, this is a 2001 pillow. Oh, I get it. So they can't actually call it an iPod. So I see what they did there. But check here. Let me lower that light. Hi, this is editing Lamarr. Yes, I realized as I was editing, I had the pillow upside down. I was so excited. I'm an idiot. I know. I'm sorry. So look at that. And it's a comfortable pillow. So iPod, awesome. Okay, so this is called the 1984 pillow. This is the 1984 Macintosh. Oh my God, I know someone on YouTube who also does videos who would love seeing this. Look at the vents on the top, oh, look at the logo. Oh snap, like, okay. And the floppy drive. Oh, and look, they even have like the stands, the little circle, not right here, sorry. The little circle showing the stand. This is, look at the back. Oh my God, that is so awesome. All right, so this next one is the 1977 pillow. So the 1977 Macintosh. I wasn't even born yet. I'm gonna get a little closer. Look at that. Has the keyboard. Oh my God, it's so cool. Look at the back. Look at this. This is so cool. Now this one I remember because I actually worked in retail when they were selling these. Then I worked at a school. I started working at schools in 97. 98, I remember seeing these in several classrooms. I believe it was the first iMac, you know, the all-in-one, the CD drive. I don't know if they had gotten rid of the floppy yet, but I don't remember. But yeah, look at that. And it had all the different colors. Oh, this is just beautiful. And it's nice and soft too. This is cool. Look at the CD drive. Remember? 2007, on that stage, Steve Jobs debuted the iPhone. Oh, again, they can't call it that, but that's what it is. Oh, that iconic Touch ID on the side here. Throwboy, I will put the link to these below, but wait, there's one more that is not Apple called the controller pillow. Check it out. Oh, look at that. My childhood right here. Nintendo, the original system controller. So there we go. Tell me which pillow you like the best. I'll put the link to Throwboy below. Thank you. They paid me nothing for that. I just like the guy. I've known him for years. So I just wanted to just showcase some cool stuff he has. So check it out. I'll put the links below. I just said that already. I will talk to you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video if you do. It's very important. You know, realize like it really helps boost the videos when you do. Just takes a second. Thanks for your like. I'll talk to you soon.